Degrees of freedom, please look at. Degrees of freedom generally denoted by F. What is the meaning of degrees of freedom? Degrees of freedom means degrees of freedom denoted by small f nana. Its meaning of degrees of freedom is it indicates how many translatory motions, how many rotatory motions, how many vibratory motions contain a molecule. Once again I repeat, degrees of freedom means one molecule contain how many translatory motions, how many rotatory motions, how many vibratory motions. Vibratory motion is possible only high temperature. That high temperature is not possible on the earth surface. So vibratory motion cannot take normal conditions. What is the degrees of freedom? The molecule contain how many translatory motions, how many rotatory motions, how many vibratory motions. But normal conditions, vibratory motion is neglect because vibratory motion is possible at high temperature. At a high temperature. If you are interested, look here. Translatory motion, rotatory motion. For example, the first gas is monoatomic gas. Please look here now. The first gas is monoatomic gas. Best example is helium. Monoatomic gas means the gas consists of single atom. This single atom is in space. It contains x-axis, x lo povachu, y lo povachu, z lo povachu. And in this situation, how many translatory motions are there? 3. Single atom. Suppose move along x-axis, suppose move along y-axis, suppose move along z-axis. So that's why the single atom have 3 translatory motions. Look here. This is the single atom. This is axis. Moment of inertia formula is mk square. M is mass of the body, K measured from center of mass of the body to axis. This is the center of mass of the molecule. This is the axis. Both are coincide. In this situation, K value is 0. Once again I repeat. This is the axis. This is the center of mass. Both are coincide. K where to where measure? Distance from axis to center of mass of the body. Here both are coincide. Distance is 0. Moment of inertia 0. That's why rotatory motion is 0. Here single atom have no rotatory motion. Its meaning is degrees of freedom means how many translatory motions, how many rotatory motions, how many vibratory motions. Vibratory motion is not possible at normal condition. That's why degrees of freedom is 3 for monoatomic gas. Monoatomic gas. Look here now. The second condition, linear polyatomic gas. The best example of diatomic gas is O2. O2. O2 means this is the O. Bonding here. This length is called bond length. O. In the situation, degrees of freedom I explain, Nana. Please look at. No Vivo. Okay, please look at. Diatomic gas, or linear polyatomic gas. Diatomic gas means the best example is N2, H2, H for example. Here Nana, in the situation also, it moves in this axis, x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. Simply, translatory motion is 3. How many rotatory motions? Rotatory motion means this is one axis. Along this axis, I equal to I1 plus I2. This particle mk square, center of mass and axis coincide. That's why I1 is 0, I2 is 0, I is 0. Simply along this axis no rotatory motion. But along this axis distance is there. So along this axis moment of inertia is present. Along this axis also moment of inertia is present. But in this axis mk square, k becomes 0. That's why in this situation no moment of inertia. And only along x-axis cancel, y-axis, z-axis possible in this situation. Rotatory motion is 3. Degrees of freedom means how many translatory motions plus how many rotatory motions plus how many vibratory motions. Vibratory motions is 0. Degrees of freedom is 5. Next, monoatomic gas. Degrees of freedom is 2. Diatomic or linear polyatomic gas, degrees of freedom is 5. Last question, Nana. Non-linear polyatomic gas. Please look at. Non-linear polyatomic gas. Please look at. Non-linear polyatomic gas. Polyatomic gas means here, Nana, please look at. Non-linear, Nana. H2O the best example, Nana. Water. H2O. Bonding. In the situation, translatory motion is. చెప్పమ్మా క్లాస్లో నేను మళ్ళీ చేస్తాను. ముందు బంపర్ డ్యామేజ్ అంటే పెయింట్ పోయినది వేయాలి, కింద అది ఊడిపోయినది వేయాలి. అది పెయింట్ కూడా వేయాలండి. ముందు ప్లీజ్ వెయిట్ నాన్న. లుక్ హియర్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. CO2 also non-linear, carbon dioxide also non-linear polyatomic gas. Okay, H2O. In this situation, generally this moves along x-axis, this move along y-axis, this move along z-axis. Translatory motion always 3. But rotatory motion, you look here, along this axis, KCM 0. But this, according to this particle, K is present. K అంటే ఏంటి? distance from center of mass of the body to axis. Suppose I can take this axis, this I1, this I2 0, but I3 is present. I system ante I1 plus I2 plus I3. These I1, I2 0, I3 is present. For example, I take this axis, this is present. Suppose I take this axis, this will be present. This meaning is rotatory motion have 3. Rotatory motion also 3. With respect to this axis, this is present. With respect to this axis, this is present. With respect to this axis, this is present. So that's why in the moment of inertia in 3 dimension is possible. 3 rotatory motions, 3 translatory motions. What is the degrees of freedom? 6. Idantha nagodu nana. Only look at degrees of freedom for monoatomic gas 3, di or linear polyatomic gas 5, non-linear polyatomic gas is 6. This is one. Next, in the situation, relation between gamma and F. Here, gamma is adiabatic constant. Gamma and F relation is gamma is 1 plus 2 by F. In the situation, F is degrees of freedom, gamma is adiabatic constant. For example, F value 3 substitute, putting F value 3, gamma value is finally 5 by 3. This is value for monoatomic gas. Putting F value 5, that is gamma value is 7 by 5. This is diatomic gas or linear polyatomic gas. Next, F value putting 6, finally we get 4 by 3. This is non-linear polyatomic gas. Okay, these values yesterday class I discussed now. Okay, look here now. Okay, Nana, please look at all of you. Next topic, Nana, equipartition energy theory. Okay, Varun, please look at equipartition energy theorem, Nana. According to this theorem, one molecule per each degree of freedom please look at one molecule per each degree of freedom contain energy. One molecule per 1 degree of freedom contain energy. That energy associated is of kBT. Equation number 1. Once again I repeat, one molecule per 1 degree of freedom, molecule contains some energy. That energy is of kBT. For example, one molecule per F degrees of freedom, please look here, F degrees of freedom, energy associated is F by 2 kBT. Equation number 2. The given gas is monoatomic gas. F value is 3. The given gas is diatomic gas. F value is 5. The given gas is non-linear polyatomic gas. F value is 6. Putting. Do you understand? Please look at Nana. Please look at. Okay. Next Nana. Please look at again another question. 1 mole of gas per 1 mole of gas per 1 degree of freedom. This gas contains some energy. The energy is 1 mole of gas of RT. Molecule is given of KT. Gas is given of RT. For example, 1 mole of gas per F degrees of freedom. U equal to F by 2 RT. Okay. Next question. For N moles of gas of F degrees of freedom is F by 2 nRT. Very important to solve the problems. Next Nana. Specific heat of solid. Very important notice Nana. Please look here. Specific heat of a solid. This concept Nana, solid treated as a non-linear polyatomic gas. Solid treated as a non-linear polyatomic gas. Degrees of freedom is taken 6. Solid Nana, solid. Now, what is the internal energy associated with the solid? Internal energy is F by 2 RT. Okay, this is the here. Degrees of freedom is 6. 6 by 2 3 RT. Look here now. This is the internal energy associated with solid. The question is specific heat. The question is what Nana? Specific heat. Nana, we know the first law of thermodynamics. dQ equal to du plus dW. dW means in the chapter PD, solid expansion neglect. So change in volume 0, work done is 0. Simply dQ equal to du. Once again I repeat. Nana, simply heat is converted into internal energy. Specific heat denoted by C. C formula is 1 by N dQ by dt. But here Q is nothing but the U, because solid expansion is negligible. Work becomes 0 in the first law of thermodynamics. dQ equal to du. Here, but U value is 3 RT. Here write 3 are constant common. dt cancel, it becomes 1. Simply specific heat of the solid is 3R. Sometimes in the final exam to ask the question Nana, specific heat of water. Specific heat of water. Directly I give 9R. Specific heat of solid. What Nana? 3R. Specific heat of water 9R. 9R. Specific heat of solid 3R. Specific heat of water 9R.